So the other day I said to my friend, yeah, I get bun, you know. And he looked me straight into my face and said, yeah, I love bun, especially with cheese. And I said, sir, first of all, that's not what I meant. And that moment right there inspired this entire video because Jamaicans use everyday English words in ways that can completely throw you off. And by the end of this video, you will never look at these words the same way again. So let's get right into it. We're gonna kick it off just like this. The first word on the list is bun. In English, bun is simply a type of bread. You go to the bakery, you buy some bun, you might eat it with some cheese, simple as that. But in Jamaica, when a person say you get bun, it's not a compliment. That simply means that your partner is cheating on you, your partner is being unfaithful, right? So the next time when somebody say to you, yeah, get bun, please do not smile and say thank you, okay? Let's move on to the next one. Next word on the list is lick. Now, in English, lick means to run your tongue over something. Lick, right? Like you're licking an ice cream, you're licking a lollipop, completely innocent, right? But in Jamaica, if somebody say me, I'm gonna lick you better run. Because lick means they're gonna slap you with something, they're gonna hit you, right? So next time when somebody say to you, me gonna lick in your face, just know we're not talking about ice cream and lollipop. So the next word on the list is ignorant. In English, ignorant means someone who lacks knowledge or someone who is uninformed. So if you don't know about something, you're ignorant about it, right? Good. In Jamaica, when we talk about ignorant, or we say when you're ignorant, it doesn't have anything to do with knowledge. If me say you're too ignorant, it means you're mad, you're upset, you're hot-headed, like you're pissed off right now, right? You're vexed. So, funny story, when I first came to Canada, my friend was really upset and I said to her, calm down, you're too ignorant, man. And the girl looked at me like I said something disrespectful to her, and I was like, she was like, oh, so you're saying I'm uneducated? I'm like, no, 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 baby girl, that's not what I meant. I meant you're upset right now, so just calm down. So I had to know, explain to her the whole thing that in Jamaica, when we say ignorant, this is what it means, da 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 da, right? So now I have to choose my words wisely, remembering that I'm not in Jamaica. When we go to Jamaica, we can say ignorant, but when we're over here, so we can't say ignorant. Next word on the list is bright. Now, in English, bright means smart, full of light, intelligent. You're bright. That's a compliment, right? But in Jamaica, if I say to you, you're bright, that's not a compliment, okay? It means you're being rude, you're being out of line, you're overstepping your boundary. That's what bright means. So just know that when we say, but look on you to your brighty, just know I'm ready to cuss you out. Next word on the list is box. Now, in English, box means it's just a cardboard box, a container. You put things in it, you can ship things in it, stuff like that. Nothing too special. It's just a box, a cardboard box, right? But in Jamaica, a box is a verb. Box is a verb, right? So if a Jamaican tell you that, me I go box in your face, you know. Just know that you're about to feel a hard slap across your face. That's what a box is, right? So if me tell you something, I go box in your face, in a girl, don't play with me. Yeah, just know that doesn't have anything to do with shipping and shipping containers or anything like that. All right? Yeah. The next word on the list is sugar. Now, in English, sugar is basically a sweetening agent, right? You put it in your tea, you put it in your coffee, sweeten up your tea, it tastes delicious. You put it in your baked goods, you bake with sugar, nice and sweet. But in Jamaica, when a person say they have sugar, it has nothing to do with the actual sugar that you use to cook with. Sugar is basically diabetes. And you know, a fun fact growing up, I've never used the word diabetes before, never really know about the word diabetes. We always just say the person have sugar. But you know, when I'm an adult now, I know that okay, when we say sugar, it's basically meaning diabetes. So yeah, if your Jamaican grandmother or Jamaican friend or whoever around you say, oh, the person have sugar, they basically mean the person has diabetes. Yeah? All right. So we just spoke about sugar, right? Now we're going to talk about salt. So in English, salt is just a seasoning, right? You put it in your food, it makes your food nice and delicious, right? But in Jamaica, if somebody say a salt bad, you salt, brother, just know that you're very unlucky. Everywhere you go, bad things just start happening to you. You're just basically unlucky, right? That's what salt mean in Jamaica. So we look at you and say, boy, you're salt bad. You're really salt, man. You're really, really salt. So since we're talking about sugar and salt, might as well we talk about craven, right? So the word craven means cowardly, someone who lacks courage or somebody who's always afraid, right? Cowardly. Courage the craven dog, basically. But in Jamaica, craven means you are greedy, especially when it comes to food. So if you're at a party and somebody say you're craving, man, that means you're being selfish with the food. You're taking more than what you are supposed to take. You're basically being a big buck. So if I say you're too craving, man, relax yourself. Yeah, you're displaying big buck personality. So yeah, you're too craving. You're too greedy. That's basically what craven means in Jamaica. Green, green. In English, green is just a color. The color green, like grass, trees, whatever, right? But if a Jamaican tells you that you are green, please do not take it as a compliment. Yes, I know green means go and green means something good, right? But green means you have smelly armpit. Your armpit is stinky and you need to go take a shower and use some deodorant to get rid of that stinky green arm scent. So we'd whisper like, yo, the girl I'm green, you see, man? Yeah, you're green. You have a very strong body odor coming from under your armpits. Yeah, that's what green means. You're green, man. Go beard. And as I always say, right, I save the best one for last. And this is jacket. Now, when you hear the word jacket in English, it basically means a jacket, a clothing that you put on, right? It's cold outside, you put on a jacket and you go outside, right? But in Jamaica, when you get jacket, it's not something to smile about because it's very embarrassing, right? So say for example, what jacket basically means in Jamaica is say a woman have her man, they live together, she gets pregnant, but the baby is not the her boyfriend's baby. It's a different man's baby, right? So she bring the child, but she give the man and say, okay, this is your baby, when she know that's not the man baby. So we call that baby a jacket because because the mother didn't give it to the correct father. You get what I'm saying? So we say you get jacket. So men will joke around, in their circle and say, oh, the woman gave him jacket, because that baby don't look nothing like him. So if you're black and the baby come out brown or the baby come out white and you look on it and you say, yo, that baby don't look nothing like me, you just know that you get jacket. You need to do a DNA test to find out if that baby is really yours. Yeah, or you just accept the jacket. You see it. And there you have it. 10 English words that mean something completely different in Jamaica. This video was so much fun for me to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nayoka. This is Nayoka's World. I always teach Patois lessons, Jamaican culture, stuff like that. If that's what you're interested in, please remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified. All right, big up on yourself. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.